If you have just begun to prepare for CAT 2022, wondering how to start preparation for CAT Verbal, looking for exclusive guidance and mentorship in the CAT VRC section, or searching for the best online coaching for CAT Verbal, here is something for you to consider. The most rigorous and comprehensive course for CAT Verbal 2022, Project Quest. Hello all, my name is Parik Jain, aka the Verbal Mentor, and this is the official launch video of the first batch of live online classroom program for CAT 2022. Now, what is special about this program? I'll try to answer this question and many other FAQs in this video, so watch it till the end. So guys, the MBA prep industry is today teeming with so many coaching institutes, big and small. However, barring a few exceptions, most of these institutes offer courses that lack teeth. And this is particularly true for the CAT Verbal section. A limited number of so-called theory classes, 20 sessions, 25 sessions, 30 sessions, maybe 40 sessions provided by some institutes. These limited theory classes in verbal do limited good. Aspirants are often kept under the delusion that the VRC section is easy to manage and will not require much effort. Disillusionment starts only when they start writing the mock tests, when usually it is too late. Guys, please understand, not only is the verbal section based on language skills, which take a long time to develop, but it also demands acute analytical and reasoning abilities, skills that have to be practiced regularly once they are learned, or less they should fade away. Now, one prevailing notion among CAT aspirants is that if they can speak in the English language fluently, they should be able to crack the VRC section easily. Another notion is that no one can really teach them VRC because it has no rules, no approaches, no techniques, no ways of knowing the right answers. Both are ill-conceived, guys. It's just that in the market, there are few courses right now which cater to the skill development, which is really needed here to score well in this particular section. So what is this Project Quest? An overview. Project Quest is intended to be the most comprehensive course in the market for CAT Verbal. It is based on the fundamental philosophy that the path to success in any endeavor, not just an exam, in any endeavor, it goes through self-development. One thing that I have observed over the years is that most of these institutes, marketers, they tend to give you shortcuts, strategies, magical tips or tricks. Now, the mindset there changes. You also try to score well on these exams without working on yourself. So from day one, you are working on the exam, but you are not working on yourself, which is essential to cracking this exam. So this is the fundamental philosophy underlying this course, Project Quest. This is meant for those who are willing to work on their skills and who do not study all too consumed by the idea of scoring on the exam. So a disclaimer from my side, if after watching this video, if you plan to enroll for the course, come to me with a mindset that, okay, we are going to work on ourselves. We are not preparing only for the exam. We are not working on exam. Score will be a byproduct of skill enhancement, skill development, self-development. So this is the fundamental philosophy underlying this course. You will be made to practice. You will be grilled. There will be a lot of practice sessions. The focus of the course is on developing the right set of lexical skills, that is vocabulary, the right lexical knowledge, lexical skills, grammatical skills. Now, some people in the industry have propagated the idea that grammar is not part of CAT. They are stupid. They are simply stupid. The verbal section is based on language skills. And if grammar is not part of language, then what is? I can give you so many examples to show that a candidate who does not understand simple grammar rules or syntax, one who does not understand the difference between should and must, one who does not understand the difference between a conditional statement, a subjunctive statement, and an indicative statement, he cannot answer the questions because he does not understand the question demand in the first place. Now, one question is, what does the author agree with? And another question is, what would the author agree with? The question is different. These are simple things, and there are advanced rules in grammar that are also sometimes tested in CAT and other MBA exams, B school exams. Not directly, maybe not directly in some of these exams, but indirectly grammar is tested. So we are going to work on lexical skills, grammar skills, analytical skills, which is obviously the most important, the most crucial, and critical reasoning skills that are required to understand any complex excerpt, compare the nuances of thought among the different answer choices, and ultimately learn the practical way of dealing with the VRC section. As a side benefit, this is something that my students tell me, interactions during the course often develop a love for reading, something which is essential to one's long-term success beyond CAT, beyond B school as well. I am not claiming it, my students claim. Okay. So the course highlights. Why do I call it the most comprehensive, the most rigorous course for CAT verbal? You will have more than 35 live concept classes, 2 hours each. In which I am going to cover complete VARC theory, parajumbles, out of context questions, para summary, RC fundamentals, reading fundamentals, critical reasoning fundamentals, logical aptitude, grammar, everything. So VRC theory, more than 35. 35 is the minimum number of live sessions that I'm committing. It usually goes to 40 in the long-term course. All CAT type and non-CAT type questions will be covered. I am not claiming that I will cover every exam, but all the major exams, including XAT, SNAP, and IFT. So most of these question types will be covered, VRC theory. Okay. Next is, this is 35, more than 35 live concept classes. More than 50 live practice classes. This is the USP of the course. Most institutes only provide live concept classes, but live practice sessions are not provided. And VRC is something which cannot be mastered without practice. It cannot be perfected without practice, guys. Therefore, 35, more than 35 live concept classes will be accompanied by more than 50 live practice sessions. This is basically the complement. This is basically called the booster course. These practice classes are part of the booster course that I run from July to September. Candidates enrolling to this first batch today will get free access, complimentary access to these 50 live practice sessions, which means they get free access to the booster course from July to September. And trust me when I say this, you can, through the Telegram group that I have, you can talk to CAT 2021 students that I had. These booster courses are really helpful. You are going to get daily practice of 4 RCs. You are going to practice, verbal ability questions every day, 6 days a week, 7 days a week. We practice every day. So that really helps. So booster course, you get free access to. These are live classes also. Then more than 40 sectional mock tests are included, which is KitKat test series. You get free access to the sectional test mock test series as well. So this is a comprehensive course. Therefore, you also get access to more than 40 live test analysis sessions for these 40 sectional mock tests. So in all, okay, let's see, 35 plus 50 plus 40. So close to 120 live sessions, more than 120 live sessions. Which amounts to more than 200 live classroom hours for this one section only, amounts to more than 300 practice RCs with me. You get to practice 300 RCs with me. More than 2,000 practice questions with me. So let's see. The course includes live concept classes, sectional mock tests, more than 40, live test analysis, more than 2,000 practice questions, more than 300 practice RCs. This is the course content. The duration of this course is going to be 5 months for concept and application. We are going to lay a strong foundation for the first 5 months. So by the way, the course starts on 4th of January. So January, February, March, April, May, by May end, we will have completed the concept part. Then comes the practice module. So this is stage 1 of the course. This is stage 2 of the course. Now, please don't think that we are not going to practice in stage 1. We are going to practice. This application means practice only. But the practice becomes more rigorous in stage 2, because in stage 1, we are reading a lot. We are reading a lot of books. We are working on concepts. We are working on foundations, and we are practicing alongside. But in stage 2, we are only practicing, no concept. So practice and mock tests the next 5 months. So in all, guys, the course is for 10 months. Starting January, you will get last mile support from me. You will be with me. You will practice with me for 10 months. Okay. As an added benefit, the recordings of all the live sessions will be made available for revision purposes. So even if you miss a class or two, you can always watch it later. Here is a detailed syllabus that we are going to cover, detailed course plan. The first session will be orientation to CAT VRC and goal setting. We are going to set a plan. We are going to set a goal for ourselves, daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals to be achieved. I'm going to give you an insight into CAT VRC section, what skills it entails, these things. The first module of the course is a reading theory, which is for 3 sessions. Yes, I'm going to teach you reading, how to read. And trust me when I say this, you don't know how to read. Most of you don't know how to read. Most of you don't, because it was never taught to you. Vocalizing a word is not reading. Reading has a lot of other things involved. It is a multi-layered exercise. So we are going to learn how to read in the first module. Then the second module is main idea theory. I'm going to cover 3 question types. We are going to learn how to identify the main idea of the passage, title of the passage, summary writing basically. So this is the second module. This is the minimum number of sessions, by the way. It can go more than this, but this is the minimum number of sessions that I am committing. The third module is style theory, the style of writing, primary purpose of the passage, different tones and rhetorical devices used by the author. We are going to learn. The fourth module, probably the USP of the course, critical reasoning theory, analytical reasoning, critical reasoning theory. We are going to discuss logic, verbal logic, non-verbal logic, modes of reasoning, deductive logic, conditional logic. We are going to discuss what is an argument, fallacies in logical argumentation, assumptions, how to identify assumptions, what is an inference, what is a conclusion, how to strengthen or weaken an argument. So all these topics will be covered in the fourth module, critical reasoning. The next module is paragraph formation, how to form a paragraph, and all the question types concerning paragraph formation, which is para jumbles, odd one out, para completion. So we are going to cover this. Last module is grammar. I have deliberately kept it last because grammar is required for other exams, non-GAT exams, and therefore the later we do it, the more is the chance, the more is the probability that you remember it for till the exam. I am keeping 2 sessions in buffer. So in all 35, more than 35 live sessions, this is the detailed course plan. Here's the schedule of the classes. Classes for cohort 1, that is batch 1, commence on 4th of January. Okay. The class timings are going to be Tuesdays and Friday. This first batch, the cohort 1, Tuesdays and Fridays, 8 to 10 p.m. So if you are a college going student or if you are a working professional, I think the time suits you. 8 to 10 is a time suitable to everybody. Maybe later I launch other batches, cohort 2, 3, 4, and at different time slots. For now, there are no plans. Right now, this is the only cohort that I am launching. So Tuesdays and Fridays, 8 to 10 p.m. But if you cannot attend classes at these timings, as I said earlier, lives, the recordings of all live sessions will be made available on the portal within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, which means you can keep pace with the course even if these exact times don't suit you. You get access. You are entitled to my response, my personal guidance. You can, you get access to Telegram group, private Telegram group, through which you can contact me anytime. So for doubt resolution, basically. So this is the schedule. Okay, course fees. Now there are 3 components in this course. The first is the VRC comprehensive, VRC concept classes, VRC Quest, the project VRC Quest, whose base fees is 9,000. Then you get complimentary access to VRC booster course, whose worth is 4,500. You also get access to, 40 sectional tests, KitKat test series, whose cost is 3,000. Therefore, the total cost should be 16,498. And trust me, it is value for money. But I know that 16,498 probably is too much for one particular section for many of you to pay. Therefore, these 2 things have been kept complimentary, and I'm only charging the fees for the base fees for project VRC Quest, that is 9,000 rupees. And if you enroll before 25th December, that is Christmas, there is an early bird discount for those who enroll before Christmas. The effective course price for you is 7,000. So in 7,000, you get everything. You don't have to worry about the CAT verbal section. You only have to work. I will make you work and I'll make you practice a lot. That is a disclaimer. I am not going to spoon feed you. I am going to tell you a lot of things and then dump a lot of questions upon you to practice. But beyond that, you don't have to worry about any other material, any other source for verbal section. So 7,000, your verbal gets taken care of mostly. Only full length test series, if you want to buy later at later stages of your preparation, you may want to go for it. So early bird discount of 2,000 till Christmas. How to enroll? Please visit our website, verbalmentor.testpress.in. Link is also given in the description. And hit the course CAT 2022 VRC Comprehensive Cohort 1. So this is the course that you are enrolling for. You will see the same thumbnail as you see here for this video. So you will know that, okay, you are enrolling for the right course, CAT 2022 VRC Comprehensive. On the sales page, if you are enrolling before Christmas, 25th of December, please use the coupon code early22 for a flat 2,000 discount, flat 2,000 off. For any queries that you may have, please reach out to us on the Telegram group that we run, CAT Prep, the Verbal Mentor. A piece of advice, guys. It is possible that many of you watching this video are CAT repeaters, you are writing CAT for the second time, you already know that you cannot wait till May or June or July to enroll for a course. That will be a bad idea. You already know because you have tasted it, and you know that it requires a lot of practice. It requires 8 to 10 months of rigorous, rigorous practice. But for those who are preparing for the first time, let me tell you a few things here. You might initially think that, okay, we can prepare on our own, which is not a bad idea. If you are, an above average student, intelligent, genius, go on, prepare on your own. You don't need to enroll for, any coaching. But if you're an average student, a decent student, and you're not a genius, trust me, mentorship really helps you. So rather than waste 3-4 months and later come to this decision of enrolling for a course, maybe write a diagnostic test, write CAT 2020, the last year paper, or this year's CAT 2021, if it is already in public domain. So write actual CAT paper, previous year paper, CAT 2020, CAT 19, CAT 2019, just one or two papers, don't consume them all. So, and see for yourself where you stand. If your scores are bad, see for yourself what is the scope for improvement. If there is a little scope for improvement, if you think that, okay, you are already there, maybe you can manage it on your own, don't enroll for any course. But if you find it difficult after writing the diagnostic test, if you think that, okay, there is a lot of scope for improvement, don't waste your time, because language acquisition is a slow process, and it is going to take a lot of time for you to first get comfortable with language and then be able to work on it, improve upon, build on that foundation of language. Analytical skills, reading skills, critical reasoning skills, they come later. First, language skills have to be worked on. So make sure that, okay. Another thing, let me tell you, this course is not meant for those who are looking for improvement in English speaking, those who cannot give their introduction in English properly. This course is not for those. Do not come to me expecting that I will work on your English skills. No, this is CAT verbal ability course. This is not English speaking or English improvement course or language course. Please let me tell you that. We are going to work on language foundation, yes, but I expect you to have a basic foundation to be able to speak in English, communicate in English, to be able to understand and communicate. I am not looking for students who are who cannot speak in English right now, who cannot give their proper introduction, and they expect to crack CAT, the verbal section, in 1 year. No. For them, my advice is, please do not enroll for any institute. Do not go for any course. They will show you dreams. These dreams are realizable, but they need time. For 1 year, work on yourself. Come back to us next year and then decide. Trust me when I say this. You might think that, okay, with a little bit of hard work, you can do it. And I can bolster your confidence by saying you can do it, but you can't do it in 6, 7, 8 months. Language, I'm talking about those students whose foundation is very weak in this language. Please don't go to any institutes. They are going to make a fool of you. First, work on yourself for 1 year. Do something, maybe obtain some work experience, work on your profile. Come back to us next year if you are one of those candidates. If your fundamental is in place, you're most welcome. Come to this course, you will enjoy it. With this much of information, I think it is time to say ciao, bye-bye. Hope to see you on the other side. Thank you very much for listening.